a quietish start right now for the Indian markets this Monday morning. The Nifty is hovering around 26,150. It's a mildly lower start of about 0.1, 0.2%. Mid-cap index is swinging between the red and the green line. The big drag today is Interglobe Aviation. So the downtick on Interglobe Aviation continues, still in the eye of the storm with the flight cancellations. So Interglobe Aviation straight away 3.5% lower. You've got a few pharma names, softish in trade, Sun Pharma, Cipla. Bajaj Finance is weak. Nestle India has corrected about 3/4 of a percentage point. BEL is under pressure. Asian Paints has started off trade on a downbeat note. On the way up, sectorally strength is seen in some of these tech names. So Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Infosys, TCS. If you pull up the tech index, maybe that will give you an indication that sectorally the IT index is still resilient, a gain of about 0.5%. At least the rupee has stopped depreciating. I think that early rate will once again come up. After the dramatic fall that we had last week, the depreciation seems to have stopped on the rupee. HDFC Life is your top gainer, and Eternal, where there was a block deal in the morning, I think at least as of now, it's up in the green, so it's recovered after that block.
Yeah, that the large trade is out of the way. The street was sniffing it, and that's got cleared out of the way. And remember, the stock was a 360 rupee stock on the day it came out with its set of numbers. So that's corrected a good 20% from the top. A few stocks in the broader markets that deserve special mention. SPML Infra, that stock is up 8.5%. So big move is what we're seeing out there. Ashoka Bilcon as well. There was some positive news flow on that one. That stock as well has perked up a little bit. So good move on that name. You have Suzlon, actually, that's moved up. Remember, the stock has corrected from 90 rupees to around this 50 rupee odd mark. But that stock has shown some kind of green out there. And Fino Payments Bank, surprise, surprise, that's one of the top losers. Massive profit taking is what you're seeing on that one. Volumes are very, very high. The stock is down close to around 5%. And just a word on Interglobe Aviation, though the stock is down 3.5%, at the start of trade, in fact, it was down more than 6%. So that's seeing some kind of bottom fishing as well in today's trading session. Net, breadth of the market is negative. The Nifty is down a little bit, but you'll have to say we're still in a bit of a range out there on the Nifty. Until the 20 DMA, both on the Nifty and the Nifty Bank is protected, the bulls will fancy their chances to end the year on a high. The breadth of the market, though, Rima, that's concerning. Even in Friday's trading session, everyone was talking about the big move that we saw on the Nifty Bank. The small cap index was down 0.4%. So portfolios are not feeling good as of now. Hopefully that catch-up does take place, because otherwise it's not feeling like fresh all-time highs.
Indeed, I was seeing some analysis over the weekend that over half of the NSE 500 stocks are still trading 30% below their peak levels, which is why portfolios are not feeling very good. But Fino Payments Bank is actually the surprise stock, 5.5% lower on Fino Payments Bank. Remember, the news here is that this is a payments company which has now got the RBI approval to convert itself into a small finance bank. So as a payments company, it couldn't lend money. It could only accept deposits up to 2 lakh rupees. But now once it converts into a small finance bank, it can lend freely. It'll decide whether it's retail, MSMEs, but it can lend freely. There is no cap on deposits. Though on the flip side, they have to maintain some regulatory requirements. So one would have thought the news would have been positive, but that stock is reeling under pressure. Biocon too, the news is positive, the long-term promise, but maybe in the near term, the dilution is weighing on the stock, and Biocon has opened up with a cut of about 3/4 of a percentage point. Niva Bupa, that's a stock because I think the November numbers are actually looking good. The November premium went up 47%, with the April-November market share rising by 18 basis points on a year-on-year basis.